Are you coughing out blood?
I don't cough out blood. You just move for the entire. You just see small there, and entire small blood there.
So you are coughing blood, you are losing weight, putting away night sweat, women are sugar also, and you waited until your wife threatened your mekwe before you be at hospital. And now you're even just coughing anyhow without even covering your face. And my hazard fee was 5,000 naira. They don't pay me enough.
I have money. Money I wouldn't school.
You can get hazard fee.
What do you suppose? Just do this cough. Come on.
I had a run test though. Ordinary cough does not last for 2 weeks.
Test.
If I got tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis?
Yes, tuberculosis, sir. But I get me test.
Tuberculosis. Oh, yeah, Ghana, Quaranta.
Yes, Quaranta. Tuberculosis.
How will we keep Quaranta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ha.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Come jog. Assume we never test. They do this test and it is positive.
The beautiful thing, this Quaranta, all the very treatable. So I'm gonna give you a couple of antibiotics. You can
have antibiotic.
Yes.
Antibiotics.
Yes.
Okay.
And
come jog. Imana, as a businessman, time is money. Time is money. Ogole kam geji an antibiotics. Maka every container na bata no machine na shop poor guy business guy. Atro mema. Ihe ka izu kole ka geji agwocha oyin.
6 months, sir. Every day for 6 months.
Okay, so
you see, yes.
Ah.